Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today I will go ahead and do fall decorate and cleaning for my bedroom. Okay guys, today's video is sponsored by HoneyMoon Home Fashions, and they sent me a new sheets and I cannot wait to share it with you. Actually they sent me two of them. كبرات شعوات نقعد حن متاخم سمي إيران بحال لو ما أنت خاني اليوم HoneyMoon Fashions يوم سبونسر جرمو this video زيني أنصولاني عرات سيدهم لي مالتيو actually كلتا عينتهم سيدهم لي بتعمي صبغ واقعهم مالتيو كبرا يكونه مستقبل تجدر أخوكم مالتيو هاي 295 دولار واقع رأيكم نيرة بسيل غزاقو نيجي أمجد affordable دحريك كوتينيو 100% توتي مالتي سو كنت فتوه خاني تسفى قبر يعني لي. This great bed sheet is wicks away moisture, helps most stains come out of in the wash, fabric remains soft and breathable wash after wash. You are going to love it. I will leave all the information on the description box for you guys. First we are going to start with the gray sheet that stripes. I want to try it in my bed how it looks, and then I will show you the other one. The sheets comes with 2 pillow covers. The ansola مسكلة تمتر أسوي يزمت. The fabric of the sheets is very soft and cotton. It made 100% from cotton. استري وزلكم ماتيريال كعني كاب توتي تسريحو بتعمي لوس يا بيد كمالتي. I ordered the queen size and it fits my bed perfectly. Queen size in the order جرت تطبق معري خوين اللي مالتي قال لي مشالف جيجي في بالويك عينقص زقن معري خوين. As you can see, it looks perfect on my bed, but I definitely will use it on my son's bed. It's more like the stripes will be cute on his bed. كم ستريقوا زلكم تصبوا كينو جن زي حبري نودي جديان كبوي أبناتو عرات مور تصبوا تمتع حجة قاعدة خليتها خريقكمي. Okay guys, this is the first look. This sheet is so beautiful, as you can see. It matches with my gray pillows and my gray throw. It's breathable, machine washable, ultra soft, and hypoallergenic. It's anybody can use it. And the company name is HoneyMoon. Home Fashioners. And I will leave their information on the description box. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and with the second look with the white sheets, I wanna try those too. So just stay tuned. بارحواتي تاني مجمرة زي مالتيو زي أصلا هم تري ورا لهم مزناي جراي مترأس مزي كوبرتات جرير له يخير مالتيو بريزابليو سوفتي خاب تعمي ماشين تحت بوه تقولي خو زغنا ألرجيك زلوا سب كان مسخنا يزغيت كلي أسبوع زغنا ماتريال كتكام بيكل so تناتهم information في description box كقبر لكمي HoneyMoon Home Fashioners يوم زبالو so كلمي مقاديجن تاكل إيت اللوك أنا فتناي تاكل إيت عن صلاة مالتي كل تيم سيدهم لي stay tuned لحواتي. The pillow cover have a pocket to hold the pillows inside. إذا متر أسكع وشتي مسأتخيو زعت أفعله دحرية وتصدي مالتيو نبحق يدس لك. The sheets also comes with two pillow covers. The insert كأني مسكلة نيمة رأس إنزمتها. The material of these sheets is very soft and silky and I love it. كل سلس كنت معك وتحسوا خلها بإيدك لموتيو دسيلو لنا بحقي.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune to out, to out. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher.
Okay guys, the second look is this one. Oh my god, this is so soft and it's very silky. Wow, you're gonna love this one. I can't wait to use it tonight. Okay, كرة حوت كالإيت اللوك زي أمالتيو زي أتصعدايا زخبو ملو توتي وكاب توتي تسريحو بتعمي لسلوسيو دغنا خا كسايكا أيتقللني راح أتكلم لا أيتبلو كم كلاخل له كاب كلتيو أينايت مت ستايلكم زي أتصعدا مرت مهناتو تشاركو بليز بالي تعمل لسلوس بقى سموز so كل informationاتهم at the description box بقولكم. You also can pick any colors you want. الحبر خاني زي لكم عينة تمرصوا تخلي. The price is very affordable. It's only $19.99 and for the stripe is $21.99.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. We got this.
Hey guys, today I'm so excited to post for Poshmark because I just find out about Poshmark like a few months ago, and as you all know, I lost about 70 pounds, and I have a lot of designer pants and tops, and it could be a blessing to other people. So I just want to share it with you, and thank you Poshmark for creating this special app for us so we can sell our things that we don't need anymore. Okay guys, I will show you some of the pants I'm gonna post on the Poshmark. This one is Michael Kors pants. It's brand new, never worn, and it's size 14. So I will go ahead and post it on my Poshmark closet. Check it out. You can see the logo. Even one day, never wore it. Brand new. And this one is from Anklein. This is good for winter time. I wore it a few times. It's in a size of, if I'm not mistaken, it's a size of 16. You wanna see how right now? I used to wear this. This is my favorite pants. And this one is from Bricks, size 16. Yep. This is only a few of the items I have. I have two more Michael Kors pants, and I do have more tops. So please check out my closet. I'm gonna leave their information on the description box. Please check them out, and thank you so much for watching, you guys. يقني اللي حواتها بزمت كذا خليكم. I love you all so much.